In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use this accelerator oscillator indicator in a simple, easy and powerful way to trade binary options. Now, as I say in all of my video, no matter whichever strategy you learn, either from me or from some paid course, always test that strategy properly in your demo account. And if you think it is working for you, then only use it in your real account. And I'm going to show you everything inside this pocket option. And if you don't have an account on pocket option, then I'll make sure to put a link in the description of this YouTube video. You can click on it and create your account on pocket option, and you will be eligible to get a 50% first time deposit bonus. So now, without doing any delay, let's get started. Firstly, select the candle Japanese stick, okay? Japanese candlestick, sorry. Japanese candlestick, not anything other, okay? And then select this M1. So this means 1 minute time frame. Each of these candles are forming in 1 minute. Now select the time frame that you want to make trade. You can start with 5 seconds, but I would suggest you to use 1 minute while using this strategy, and decide the amount that you want to invest. Once you have done this much, and let me add this accelerator oscillator indicator again. Okay, what you need to do is simply click on here, and at the top you can see accelerator oscillator, and you can just click on it. Now if you are using any other broker, then make sure your accelerator oscillator indicators have this setting. Okay, if it is not, then make sure to make changes and make exact this setting. Okay, so now you need to watch this video very carefully so that you can find the best entry points. Okay, so as you can see here, market is moving upward, yeah, and here you can see green bars have started to form here. Now whenever a green bar, after making some green bar in this below this zero line, okay, and then if one green bar is made at here, one green bar is closed at here, then that's the signal for you to make trade by clicking on higher. Okay, but make sure the chart is like this kind of hill. Okay, it is forming like hill type of format. Okay, if this chart is making hill type of format, then most probably your trades are going to be right. Okay, and the place where you need to make a trade is like this kind of. So whenever you want to make a higher trade, then make sure it is going upward. Okay, and then this green bar closes, one green bar is closed after this green line. Okay, so below this green line some green bars need to be formed, and above this zero line there need to be one green bar that need to be closed, and then you can make trade by clicking on higher. So for down trade also it is the same thing. Okay, so for example, let's see at this. Okay, so let's say it have started to fall down at here. Okay, so here you can see red bars are forming. Okay, and then one red bar here closed. Okay, one red bar I have closed at here. Then this is the place where you need to make a trade by clicking on lower. It is as simple as this to use accelerator oscillator indicator. And if you think this video added some value to your life, then please do like this video. Similarly, you can see at this place also, so green bars are forming. Okay, and one green bar formed at here. Okay, now this is the place where you need to make a trade by clicking on higher. Okay, now let's see in any other place. So here also you can see a red bar have started to form, and one red bar closed at here. Then this is the place where you need to make a trade by clicking on lower. So guys, if you have any questions or suggestion for me, then make sure to put a comment below this video, and don't forget to like this video. I'll see you in my next video. Take care, have a great day. Bye bye.